MiTube is an application that allows you to download videos from YouTube straight to your iPad. It's a free application, and once downloaded, I'm not sure where I put it, so let me just search for it. MiTube. If there's ever one of those videos that you like to watch, and if you have a Wi-Fi only iPad, you won't be able to view this always on YouTube whenever you want it. So you can download it so it's saved locally. You can view it anytime you want. Even if you have a 3G version or have a MiFi like I do, sometimes the videos just take forever to download or stream. So you want to download this in advance, have that funny video, have that educational video, have that favorite video where you might be learning a particular thing, and you can just simply play them at your leisure. So instead of having to download again, you have it with you all the time. Okay, and it works pretty simply this way. You have a search icon up in the top. You click that search bar. You click the field and start typing in something. And I will type in iPad. I am there for iPad, and I get a couple of videos here, and I find one that I like. I click on it, and it gives me some options. It gives me some few details about the video, and then it gives me the option to either stream it in high or stream it in low, or download it in high or download it in low. So I'll choose to download high. It'll give me a message saying your download has been started. Close search to view its progress. So I hit OK, and if I go to the if I hit the close button like it indicated, I see at the top the status of this video. It's downloading, and depending on how fast or slow your internet connection is, it's going to dictate how quickly that video can be downloaded. Very useful if you like to download YouTube videos for offline viewing. I can click this and pause it. I can remove this if I change my mind. I'll remove it. Any of the other videos that you have downloaded, it shows like this top one is in high definition, the other one is just high, and if it was in low, it would indicate that. I can slide my hand on it and hit delete like anything on the iPad and get rid of it if I don't no longer need it. Again, it's called MiTube, available for free in the Cydia App Store. Infinity Board is a Cydia app that's a paid app. It's 99 cents in the Cydia App Store. And what it gives you is the ability to vertically scroll your home pages instead of having a limitation of icons there. You can put as many as you want, and it'll simply scroll up and down. So by default, the home screen only allows 20 icons at one time. So if you want additional ones, you have to put them on a page to the right. But with Infinity Board installed, you can put icons all on one screen if you want. So let's just add some icons to the first screen here. Okay. And so I hit the home button to release those. And simply put those things on the same page, and I can just scroll up to see those icons. So I can move all of the apps if I want to the home screen, and I can have one screen that has all of my icons. I could do it instead of having groups like I have here. I can have this page be games and simply just scroll down as many times as it needs to put all of the games on one page. So it's 99 cents in the Cydia store. It's called Infinity Board. A Cydia app that I like is called FullForce. And what FullForce does is force a iPhone application to use the full screen of the iPad. So as you are aware, there are some apps that are iPhone applications, but yet they work on the iPad. One such application is this program that I use called Poof, and you have the 1x or 2x button that you can switch to toggle it from being full screen to to the iPhone version. So I can toggle this thing back and forth, right? That is the normal way that you would see an iPhone application on an iPad. Now, once you install FullForce, it adds an area in the extension area in settings. Extensions would normally exist there until you start adding some Cydia apps. And so if I click on FullForce on the left, it will give me a list of applications that I can apply FullForce to. Now, not all applications work. You just sort of have to play with them. There's actually, if you load up FullForce in Cydia, there is a spreadsheet that's viewable that shows you which apps work and which ones don't. In my case, I use it for the Bank of America application, and I use it for Facebook. I use it for Stitcher as well. Stitcher works a little bit. So you see here, Facebook is turned off, so it's not using FullForce currently. So if I bring up the Facebook application, it's going to look the way that you would normally see it. It's blown up to look, instead of being small, it zooms it by 2, and it doesn't look very appealing. Okay, so if we apply the FullForce to that application by turning it on, then what it will do, and let me just make sure FullForce is and that application is indeed turned off and not running in the background. Now if I launch the Facebook application, you'll notice it looks a whole lot different. More information is available on the screen, and it uses the whole screen. Even in the areas where the icons are available, is much clearer, crystal clear, the way it should be on the iPad. Again, that's called FullForce, available for free. I believe it's free. I can't remember offhand. Let's just pull it back up. Yes, it's free in Cydia. Go check it out today. A Cydia application that I like a lot and I'm actually using to do these videos is called DisplayOut. Now, you would have to get a special adapter available from the App Store. I'm sorry, not the App Store, but the Apple Store. And it's this cable here, and it's awfully dark in here. But it's this cable that you hook up to your iPad, and you hook up to a monitor, which we have over there. I'll just unplug it. And so you can buy this cable from Apple that allows you to project what you have on your iPad so that it is seen from a monitor. And normally Apple And you don't have to be jailbroken for you to use that cable at all, or that adapter. But what Apple does is they restrict what you can project out from the screen. I apologize, this thing is not quite right, and I'm not going to worry about it. You can see it. But with DisplayOut, it lets you project everything. So you see my icons, you see, you know, whatever I pull up on the screen, you see. By default, you know, Apple only allows you to see like PowerPoint, you know, the pages, or what's it called, keynote projections, some YouTube videos, you know, and those type of things. But with DisplayOut, it lets you display out everything that's on your screen. So it's great for people that teach things, educators, teachers, instructors, etc. Anyone that does presentations, it just gives you the ability to dictate what you're going to be able to display versus Apple in a nutshell. Again, it's called DisplayOut, $1.99 in the Cydia App Store, and if you have that need, go ahead and check it out.